And finally, the last piece of this puzzle, the Weaponizer Manager. It's a singleton you will have to place directly in your scene. It does expose the duration between two damage ticks, list of allowed prefab for weapons, ammunition, impact effect, flash effect, dot effects, list of all matter to element resistance, a static reference to its own instance, some dictionary to store effect and strength for fast access, some internal logic variable related to structure currently in the dot system. A wait function enforces a singleton by throwing if an instance already exists. Otherwise, it registers the instance, then loop over the list of strength and effect to store them in dictionaries. In update function, if a tick needs to be processed, we reset the last tick variable, loop over each structure to be registered, and if it's not registered yet, add it to the process list. We then loop on structure to be processed, and if structure still exists, apply damage to it. Otherwise, we add it to the list for removal. Then we loop over removal list. A bug sneaked in here. I should have cleared both structure to register and structure to unregister list at the end of the script. We then have utility function to register and unregister structure along with utility function to retrieve the correct strength and effect. Note that in effect-related utility function, I included a fallback logic in case an effect does not exist for given matter-to-element combination. It tries to fall back on default value instead.